Save $100 or $200 in taxes, depending on your bracket. But a $1,000 credit knocks $1,000 off your tax bill, period. Common deductions include student loan interest, mortgage interest, and retirement contributions. Popular credits include the Earned Income Tax Credit, Child Tax Credit, and Education credits. Make sure you know which ones you qualify for. They can add up fast. Step 4. Decide whether to take the standard deduction or itemize. Most people take the standard deduction, which is a set amount that reduces your taxable income. For 2024, it's $14,600 for single filers and $29,200 for married couples filing jointly. If your deductible expenses, like mortgage interest, property taxes, and charitable donations, add up to more than the standard deduction, you might save more by itemizing. Otherwise, the standard deduction is usually the way to go. Step 5. File electronically and choose direct deposit. Filing electronically is faster, more accurate, and often free if your income is below a certain threshold. The IRS Free File program and many tax software options can walk you through the process step by step. Choose direct deposit for your refund. It's the fastest way to get your money, often in just a couple of weeks. Step 6. Don't miss the deadline. The tax filing deadline is usually April 15th. If you need more time, you can file for an extension. But remember, an extension to file is not an extension to pay. If you owe taxes, pay as much as you can by the deadline to avoid penalties and interest. Step 7. Watch out for common mistakes. Even simple errors can delay your refund or trigger IRS letters. Double-check your Social Security number, bank account info, and all your math. Make sure you sign your return if you're mailing it. And don't forget to report all your income, even from side gigs or investments. The IRS gets copies of your W-2s and 1099s, so they'll know if something's missing. Step 8. Save your records. After you file, keep copies of your tax return and all supporting documents for at least 3 years. If the IRS has questions or you need to amend your return, you'll be glad you did. Store them somewhere safe. Digital copies are fine as long as they're secure. Common myths about taxes. Let's bust a few myths. First, getting a big refund isn't always a good thing.